그렇지. 결국엔 가만히 스타일 나가게. Last it is good for Pumbato.
Pondo Mericho, nice drive by Pon, 2 points. Pondo, 2 points. Bilaran City ni Jinyat ang tagbilaran by Atty. Adam Bralson.
Shot of fire. Bautista.
That's a rebound by
Shot
Tagbilaran
of 10
City.
seconds.
Nice big drive to Mericho Zamora, 2 points. Lo Chavez, 2 points. Ito to Mericho. Nice jumper to the Mapias, 2 points. 6 updated by Zamora.
Shot of 15 seconds.
Ito, naaga ni Zamora. Domiritsu si Zamora. Nice drive by Zamora. Ito, pass to Pabalan. Pabalan. Domiritsu si Pabalan. Nice. Shot by Pabalan. Pista, no. Pon. To Mapias. Nice drive by the Mapias. Nakakuha pang foul.
Shot of 15 seconds.
Pabalan is the ball. Wow! Nice pass by Dawis. Ito jumper, no? Rebound. Ito Domiritsu. Lo Chavez, 2 points. Sili makakunig ang tira sa Tagbilaran. Ito. Lo Chavez. Nice drive by Lo Chavez.
Shot of 10 seconds. Amoroso.
Amoroso, 2 points. Bautista. Back to Bautista. Tomera na 3 si Bautista. Cody, 3 points. Pon. Tomera. Rebound by Pabalan. 2 points. Nice jump shot by Pabalan. Read by Torito. Nice big jumper. No. Nice spot back by Pabalan. Pon Tomera na 3. Connect 3 points by Nico Pon. Sana 3. No. Pon rebound. Nakuha sa Dawis. Pon Tomera ng 3. Connect. Naka-recover ka, ha? Bumawi. Bahaw 3 points.
Shot of 10.
Samara Tomera, no. Rebound by Bansag. Put back, yes. This is the second quarter for the 5th game for today's event. Nice turn and jump shot by Pon. Pass by Lot Chavez. Lopez. Ravi. Rebound. Lopez. Pass to Tobiano. Tobiano. Domiritsu. Nice free up by Tobiano. Tomera ng 3. Si Bahono. Tobiano na naman. Domiritsu. City. Guarded by Lo Chavez. Zamora nakawala. Nice. Na-turn. Yes. Nakawala si Zamora. Guarded by Zamora. Pass to Lopez. Lopez nakawala. 2 points. Yes. Nakawala si Lopez. Ito. Costan. Nakalusot but no. Ito. Pabalan to Lot Chavez. Grabe ba eh. Back to Zamora. Pass to Bautista. Tumira ng 3. Connect. 3 points. Bautista. Pabalan to Lot Chavez. Nakawala si Lot Chavez. Ito Domerecho. Lot Chavez na naman. Pero down. Ito na. Tagbilaran. Tumira ng 3. Connect. Bautista.
Shot by 15 seconds. Shot attack.
Start for the
shot attack seconds.
3 points. Lot Chavez.
Shot attack 8 seconds. Shot attack.
Lumusit man naman si Lot Chavez. Grabe si Lot Chavez. Chua. Basta pamatong pass to Chua. Jumper. Sabay sa Ligomba. Lot Chavez. Pass to Don Mapias. Pass back to Lot Chavez to Pon. Pon to Don Mapias. Jumper by Don Mapias. Connect. Sa Ligomba, Domerecho, no. Rebound Pon, pass to Pabalan. Nicely up by Pabalan. Chua to sa Ligomba to Bautista, pass. Bautista tumira na 3. Connect. 57. This is the first quarter. Lot Chavez tumira ng 3. No rebound. Don Mapias jumper. Connect. Gawa na bola. Still gawa na bola. Pass to Pon to Lot Chavez. Ito na naman si Lot Chavez. Tumira ng 3. Connect.
Lot Chavez 3.
62 against 41. Ito na naman si Lot Chavez. Domerecho si Lot Chavez. Nice shot by Lot Chavez. Larang City. Ito, Lopos to Pabalan. Pass to Pon. To Don Mapias. Tumira ng 3. No hesitation by Don Mapias. Dala ng bola guarded by Lot Chavez. Zamora. Na gusto lumusot si Zamora. Connect. Post to Don Mapias to Pon. Nice pick. Jumper by Pon. Not connect. Rebound by Don Mapias. But there's a putback by Pabalan. Yes sir. So Don Mapias no. Rebound. Bansag. Ito nice pass. Back pass by Bautista to Ingkog. Ito, Tobiano. Nakawala si Tobiano. Uy, pinasa sa kalaban. Ito, Ingkog. Nicely up by Ingkog. Pon. Nakagawa ang bola ni Ingkog. Domerecho si Ingkog. Follow up by Pomatong. Nice follow up by Bostan to Ingkog pass to Bansag to Zamora. Tumiran to Tracy Zamora. Connect. 3 points by Zamora. Si Pabalan. Jumper by Pabalan. No. Rebound by Bansag. Nice challenge by Bansag. Ito si Bautista to Ingkog. To Bautista. Jumper by Bautista. 2 points. Bautista. Pass to Don Mapias. guarded by Costan. Pass to Lo Chavez, guided by Bautista. Nakawala, jumper, no. Ilahara. Wow! Nice! Pass to Pon. Kamera ng 3 si Pon. No! Rebound. Ito, Bautista to Pon. To Costan. Costan 2 points. Ito na. 2 points to Biano. Pas na andawa. Pumatong to Bautista. Ito, si Lo Chavez gusto lumusot ni Bautista. Lo Chavez. Tobiano! 2 points. What a drive against 59. Bautista to Zamora. Tomera na 3 points by Zamora. Ito na naman. Nice. Grabe. Zamora to Bautista. Tomera na 3. No. Rebound. Jumper no. Rebound by Ingog. Nice pass. Amoroso. Pumatong.
Shot clock 10 seconds.
Dumapias. Paso Tobiano. Nakawala si Tobiano. Nice layup by Tobiano. This guarded by Bautista.
Shot clock 10 seconds.
Ito, muntik na nakawala. Nice block. Anapot ay Pabalan. Bola para sa Dawis. Guarded by Bautista. Pass to Dumapias. Guarded by Amoroso. Ito, nakawala si Dumapias. 2 points. Nice layup by Dumapias. Lo Chavez. Guarded by Bautista. Gusto makawala ni Lo Chavez. Nakawala si Lo Chavez. Ito na. Nakawala nga. At na-foul. Grabe si Lo Chavez. What a move. Laran City. Pass to Bautista. Pass back to Costan. Pass to Bautista. Ito si Bautista. Jumper. Connect. Ponto Dumapias to Lo Chavez.
Shot clock 15 seconds.
Wow! Nice pala by Pabalan.
10 seconds.
Bautista tumira ng 3, no? Put back, still wala gyapon.